Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Infinix Note 50 Pro, which is pattern locked. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can remove any type of pattern or password from your Infinix Note 50 Pro in case you guys have forgot it. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. Then press the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the Infinix logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. At this point again press the power and volume up keys for the recovery menu. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data with the power key, then factory data reset. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see at the bottom, the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system now. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then after a while, when the phone finally turns on, tap on the arrow, select your language, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again.